Hi, Mr. X with glossary term arithmetic mean. We could say it's the most average of averages. If we have two values, two real values, the arithmetic mean is the average of those two numbers. Add them together and divide by 2, or find the midpoint between those values on a number line. If you only have two values, the arithmetic mean, the average, is the point halfway in between, like this. Now what's the average of 14 and 58? Well, it's the arithmetic mean. It's the number exactly halfway in between. We can get that a couple of different ways. We could add the 58 and the 14 in either order, and I think we get a 72, and we divide that in half, we get a 36. Half of 72 is 36. Well, that makes sense because there are 22 units. The difference between these two values is 22, and the difference between these two values is also 22. Okay? 36 minus 14 is 22, 58 minus 36 is 22. So what's the arithmetic mean between 58 and 14? Well, it's half of that number. It's 36. But what if you have more than two numbers? Well, you just add them all up and divide by the number of numbers. Suppose we wanted the arithmetic mean of these six numbers. There are six numbers: 16, 23, 40, 5, 7, and another 5. By the way, do you know the mode of this? The mode is 5. That's the number that shows up most often. But if we just added these up and divided by 6, the number of numbers, we would have our arithmetic mean. Is it okay if I just put 17 here for that? Can I just add these together real quick and get a 17? Would you be okay with that? 5 and 5 is 10 plus 7 is 17. It's a little easier for me to do it that way. Let's see, I think we get a 6, and I think we get a 9. Now, what's our arithmetic mean? Well, it's the 96 divided by 6, because we have 6 numbers. Turns out to be 16. Which means, race car fans, that if we have an average of 16 for the 6 numbers, and if we were to take this number out, which happens to be a 16, then the other 5 numbers have to also average 16. Just a property of arithmetic means.